management, a critical function that breathes life into every organization. Personnel management, often synonymous with human resource management, is an integral part of any organization, large or small. It's the backbone that supports, nurtures, and directs the human capital towards achieving organizational goals. What is personal management? Personal management, often synonymous with human resource management, is a comprehensive approach to managing people in an organization. It involves everything from recruitment, training, development to compensation, benefits, and employee relations. The ultimate goal is to maximize employee performance, enhance their job satisfaction, and ensure their overall well-being. The nature of personal management. Personal management is a much more than just hiring and firing. It's a strategic and systematic approach to managing people. It's about understanding individual motivations, create a conducive work environment, and fostering a culture that encourages growth and development. First is recruitment and selection. This is about the finding right people for the right job. Second one, training and development. Once on board, employees need to be equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge. Third is performance management. This involves evaluating employee performance, providing feedback, and setting performance goals. And the last is employee relations. This is about maintaining a positive relationship between the employees and management. Educating everyone about HR jobs. The field of HR is vast with various roles and responsibilities. Here are some common job roles in HR. First is HR manager. Second one is training and development manager. Third is HR analyst. And the last is employee relation management. In conclusion, personal management is a vital part of organization. It is the art and science of managing people to create a productive and positive work environment. That's all